Today, we're diving into the world of slow-growing aquarium plants that can transform your tank into a stunning underwater paradise with minimal maintenance. If you're looking for beauty and simplicity, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about why slow-growing plants are the secret to a beautiful, low-maintenance aquarium. You see, fast-growing plants can be overwhelming, needing constant trimming and often leading to algae problems. But slow-growing plants? They offer stability and long-term beauty without all the hassle. In this video, we're going to cover 3 key questions. Which slow-growing plants are best for your tank? How to care for them effortlessly, and why they might be the perfect choice over their fast-growing counterparts. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to create a stunning, serene aquarium. Let's dive right into the first question. Which slow-growing plants are best for your tank? Here are my top picks. First up, we have Anubias. This plant is perfect for beginners and can be attached to rocks or driftwood. Its broad, dark green leaves add a touch of elegance to any tank. Next, Java Fern. This hardy plant thrives in low light and can also be attached to various surfaces. It's perfect for creating that lush, jungle-like feel. Lastly, let's not forget about Cryptocorin. These plants come in various shapes and colors, adding diversity to your aquascape. They grow slowly but steadily, filling out your tank beautifully over time. These are just a few examples, but they're fantastic starting points for any aquarist looking to embrace the beauty of slow-growing plants. Now let's move on to our second question. How do you care for these slow-growing plants effortlessly? One of the best things about slow-growing plants is that they require minimal maintenance. Here are some tips. Lighting. Most slow-growing plants do well in low to moderate light. Make sure your tank light is on for about 8 to 10 hours a day. Fertilization. Use liquid fertilizers sparingly. Slow growers don't need much, and overdosing can lead to algae. Water parameters. Keep an eye on your water parameters. These plants thrive in stable conditions with a pH between 6.5 and 7.5. Pruning. Pruning is minimal. Trim dead leaves occasionally to keep your plants healthy. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your slow-growing plants thrive with very little effort. Finally, let's address the third question. Why choose slow-growing plants over fast-growing ones? Fast-growing plants can quickly take over your tank, leading to more frequent maintenance and potential algae issues. Slow-growing plants, on the other hand, offer a steady, predictable growth rate. This means less pruning, fewer algae problems, and a more stable environment for your fish. Plus, they provide a balanced ecosystem, allowing you to create a well-designed aquascape that doesn't change dramatically overnight. This stability makes them an excellent choice for aquarists who want a low-maintenance yet beautiful tank. Slow-growing plants can truly transform your tank into a stunning, serene, underwater paradise. If you're tired of constant maintenance and algae problems, give these plants a try. And don't forget, we have more tips and tricks in our other videos. Still struggling with maintaining the perfect tank? Check out my next video on common aquarium mistakes and how to avoid them to ensure your tank remains a stunning, stress-free masterpiece. Thanks for watching and happy aquascaping.